If you have a phone, then there are chances that you have to deal with phone overheating issues. This is a very common problem these days that almost every phone owner faces. Overcharging your smartphones even after it's reached 100%, exposure to direct sunlight, and overusing phones are some of the prime reasons why our smartphones overheat. However, there are certain tips that can help you stop your phone from overheating. Let us quickly take a look at these effective tips and tricks to cool down your phone. So the first thing that you need to do is to remove the phone cover. Removing your phone cover can release the trapped heat emitted by phone, thereby reducing overheating of the phone to some extent. Avoid charging your smartphones overnight. You should never charge your phone overnight. Keeping the smartphone on charge overnight not only affects the efficiency of your battery in the long run, but also heats up the device. In some cases, smartphones have also exploded due to overcharging. Next important thing that you need to start doing is to close all those background apps while using the phone. These apps play in the background and add to the processing power's drain out. This excess of processing power results in overheating of the device. Always keep your phone away from direct sunlight. Many a times direct contact with the hot sun rays leads to heating of the phone. Avoid playing graphic intensive games. Playing graphic rich games like PUBG and Fortnite for hours can cause excessive phone heating issues sooner or later. It also impacts the battery life of the phone. So, if you face constant smartphone heating issues, then do use these tips and tricks to cool down your smartphones today. We hope you like this video. For more such content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.